Hello everyone, good afternoon or good morning or good evening kung saan ka man nanonood ngayon. But here it's afternoon kasi it's 16:09. 4:09 in the afternoon. And welcome again to my vlog. I'm excited to shoot this video for today kasi I'll be doing a mukbang and I'll be answering the question you sent me in Facebook, in Instagram, and in WhatsApp. So let's start. So what I'll be eating for today is Arabic food. Not like yung bonggang Arabic food, but you know, the simple stuff because I'm not fan of Arabic food, and this is the only thing I'm eating if I ever crave for Arabic foods. So I'll be showing you what I'll be eating. So what we have here is, let's grill. Hulog. Here, this is lamb kofta. This is shish tawok. This is chicken. This is beef kebab. And the french fries and some vegetables, and this bread with sesame. So basically this is a grilled item. It's marinated with some spices and that's it. And of course I have here mutabel. It's a cold meza. It's like an appetizer. Well known as Arabic cuisine, like meza. There are different kind of meza, like hummus, this mutabel, baba ganoush, muhammara. But I like mutabel better. But I think the famous one is hummus. Yeah, but I don't like it kasi pag kinakain mo siya para siyang, you know, maaligas-gas kainin. And the mutabel, it's made of eggplant and tahina and garlic and olive oil. So I like it. Same as the baba ganoush. And I have here shawarma. It's chicken. I like chicken shawarma. Beef is okay, but I don't like eating beef all the time. But chicken, I like it. Can eat it every day. And of course, hindi mawawala ang Arabic bread. Freshly made. So mainit pa siya. So let's start. So let's start. Well, I get a comment in my Facebook that is requesting that if I can like speak English in the whole video. I will try. I will try my very best to speak in English so that you can understand. Okay? So let's start. The first question is how old am I when I start working as an OFW? So I came here when I was like 21 years old. Yeah, I came here after I worked a year in the Philippines. So 21, yeah. Next is how many years I didn't go home. So how many years hindi ako umuwi? Last time I was in Philippines was it's good. Last time I was in Philippines was November of 2017. So basically 4 years and a month and 2 months. 4 years and 2 months, yeah. 4 years and 2 months na ako hindi umuwi. So tagal. The third question is what I miss about the Philippines. I don't know. I've been gone for too long, and I don't know if I miss what I miss. Well, of course, my family. But I don't know anything else. Maybe food, yeah. food, proper food, because here what I'm eating is like all fried, all like processed canned foods, takeaways, not like home cooked. So yeah, the food, of course. It's so difficult mag-mukbang mag-isa tapos mag-answer ka ng question kasi you need to do it all by yourself. Like, you need to read the question and you need to eat. Oh my god. So this fourth question is what I'm doing if I'm not at work. Well, what I'm doing if I'm not at work is I'm just at home, lying in the bed. Like, I can lie in the bed for a whole day and I will just call it a day. So I'm a boring person, I know, and I like being alone. Like, I like my own company. When I hate going out, sometimes, yeah, okay, but not like every time because it's tiring. So yeah. And I have here Pepsi. Next one is sinong makakasama mo dyan? Nakakasama in a sense na kasama sa bahay, kasama paglabas. Kasi if kasama sa bahay, no, I'm living alone. Nag-isa ako sa buhay dito. And if not going out, like doing grocery, alone, I guess. I just barely go out with friends. Because believe it or not, I've been here in Kuwait for 7 years, and I have only like 4 to 5 friends. Yeah, I'm not a friendly person. I considered myself as an introvert. Yeah, I am. I hate large crowds and it's exhausting for me. So if ever I'm watching a movie, like, yeah, I'm alone. Yeah, I like my own company. I love myself. Next one is, bakit naisip mong mag-vlog? Sinong vlogger pinafollow mo? Bakit naisip ko mag-vlog is I also don't know. Kasi, since before, like 3 years ago or 4 years ago, I want to start, but I don't know what I will do. Kasi sabi ko nga, I'm not an outgoing person, so I don't know what content I will do. And just like last month, a friend of mine, Vincent, hi Vincent, he encouraged me to start. So like, yes, I can do it. So I start right away, like the next day. I buy this mic, tripod and everything, the light, and I start. So there's pickles. I'm not eating vegetables. I remove it. Good. Next is kailan ka mag-aasawa? Oh my god. Soon. Yun na lang. Soon. Next. Describe yourself. Slambok lang. I don't know. Just comment it. Whatever you think about me, just comment it in the section. Who knows me? Who knows me well? Who've been my friends for the past 10 years. You know me very well. And I can't answer that. Because I don't know. One thing I know about myself is that I'm a moody person. I'm very, very moody. And I don't know why. So, that's it. Next is, sinong pinakamaganda sa inyong tatlo? So, she's asking kami magkakapatid. I don't know. Darren, edit mo dito, lagay mo picture natin, and you just judge who is who. Next. This is really good. But I hate the pickles. Gutom yarn. This one. That's a good question. Kailan ka uuwi? So, when will I be going home? It is this year. Within this year. I'll be at home before this year ends. I have the date. August. Yeah. I don't know which date. Exact date. But it's August. Because, I don't know. I feel tired. And I just want to take rest. Little rest. Because I didn't go home for the past 4 years. It's too long. Nakakapagod mag-isa sa buhay. Yeah. I need someone to take care of me. So yeah. Sila talaga nag-iintay sa akin dyan sa Pinas. So August, I'll be there. So, see you guys. So the next question is... Alin sa mga goals mo ang di mo pa na-achieve? So, what are the goals? My goals that I still didn't achieve. You know, a funny thing is when I read this question, I laughed. Like, oh my god. I still didn't think about it. And hi Sai. She's the one who sent me this question, and I laughed so hard, and I didn't take it seriously for the first time I read it. But when I think about it, and the answer is, I don't know. It's so difficult. Until now I can't even answer it, but the first thing that came in my mind is it's about my family, what they need, and what they need is my first priority. I need to let my sister graduate, and both of them, and to finish my mother's house and my father's house before I settle down. Yeah, but for myself, my goal, this is not a goal, it's a dream. Yeah, for me it's I don't know, I want a peaceful life. That's it. Away from all the drama. This world is full of dramas, so I just want out of it, and I just want a peaceful life somewhere where no one knows me. So I can be by myself. No, not by myself. Of course, with someone. So next is, if you could live anywhere, where would it be? For me, personally, a home is not a place. It's a person. Diba? Jessica, girl. Pero, it's true. Wherever you are, if you're with the right person, you'll be happy. That's the goal of every one of us, to be happy, to be contented, to be at peace. Right? I want it. I want that life. So simple. But it's what I want. Next one. What was the last movie you went to? What did you think? Last movie I went to was, of course, No Way Home, Spider-Man. And I go alone, and the hall was like 70% full because of the COVID, you know, cannot like full it 100%, just 70, but there's a lot of people. And it was the best experience I had while watching a movie, because I'm like a child. Like, I'm sitting there alone, I'm eating my popcorn, and suddenly this portal where Andrew Garfield came, I just jump out of my seat and I clap and I shout like anything. Oh my god. And it's a good thing that all of the people did save, so we're like, oh my god, he's there. Yeah, that's why I went, because I like Andrew Garfield, and he's so handsome when he came out on the portal, and I was like, oh my god, I'm so excited. The rest of the film I was like smiling like a child. See how excited am I? I could watch it over again and my reaction will be the same. What is your biggest complaint about your job? The biggest complaint I have about my job is about the environment. It's so toxic, and I won't discuss this any further because I'm still working there. I'll be sharing it with you when I leave. So that's it, and that's the last question I'll be answering for this vlog. If ever your question is not answered on this, I'll be answering in the next. So I'll be eating this for later because I'm full now, like talking and answering your question. But it's great, it's good. I like eating, I love eating. Oh, so that's the end of our video for today, and I hope you like and you enjoyed this video. If ever you want me to make the same content as this one, you can just comment it down below, or you can just message me in Facebook and Instagram. You can follow me in those two social media. The description, the link is in the in the description box. Nalito-lito ka na. Yeah, I hope to see you on my next vlog, and please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell and share this video as well. Thank you so much. Bye bye.